Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about can you repair sun-damaged skin. I'm Holly Carter and this is Holly Carter Beauty. So I think that there are 5 tips that I can recommend to help you repair sun-damaged skin or help you look better. Number 5 would be exfoliate. So a microdermabrasion or a glycolic peel would be excellent options to help exfoliate that top layer of skin off and reveal the younger cells. You can also use a clay mask or a charcoal mask. Those are great options that are going to help slough off the dead skins, but the glycolic and the microdermabrasion will do a better job. So my number 4 tip is to drink water. So water may not necessarily repair, but it will help. It will plump up your cells. Hydrated skin looks better than dehydrated skin. And your body just functions better with water, right? So it's really important to drink lots of water and wash out all those toxins and help your body heal itself. The number 3 tip that I have to help you to deal with sun-damaged skin would be a hat and sunscreen. So while they may not repair it, it's going to keep it from getting worse. I don't know about you, but when I was growing up, the big thing was to lay outside in, baby oil and bake in the sun, which obviously was a terrible idea. So I think it's really important now to, you should obviously protect your skin all your life. However, I really am more vigilant about it now as I see that I'm getting, brown spots and things like that. The number 4 tip that I have is retinol. So if you don't know what retinol is, it's a derivative of vitamin A, and there's medical grade retinol that's going to do a really great job. It will help brighten your skin. It will help penetrate the top layer down to the bottom layer of the cells and bring the younger cells up to the surface. It's going to help you with fine lines and wrinkles. So if you go through the retinization process and then start using it on a regular basis, it's really going to make a difference for you. That's really the gold standard when it comes to helping get rid of fine lines and wrinkles and brighten your skin without having, expensive treatments and procedures. So the number 1 tip that I have is get a really good anti-aging skincare regimen down. Now you're going to want to use one brand. And the reason is if you're mixing and matching brands, they might have ingredients that will compete against each other. And typically the people who develop the brand have products that all are formulated to work together. And so you're going to get better results if you use one brand. The second thing I think that's really important about it is that you are very consistent with it. So every morning and every night, I promise if you do those things, you will see an improvement in your skin. So please subscribe to my channel below and please share it with your friends. I hope you guys have a great day and tune in for the next video, which I'm going to sort of switch gears. It's going to be about arranging flowers for a party. We're giving my mom an 80th birthday party, and so I'm going to be arranging the flowers with my sister. Hope to see you guys next time. Have a great day.